Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Remember, Terra Classic have gotten a lot of support from Binance, from Kucoin, from Crypto.com, and even Binance founder CZ is also really supporting the Terra Classic token. Now, with 2 billion coins of Terra Classic token, how much can we really make? At the time of recording this, you need about $328 in order to buy 2 billion coins of Terra Classic. And if Terra Classic delete just a zero, then the $328 to be worth about $3,300. That is a lot of profit for me. That's about 3,000 profit. Then imagine Terra Classic hitting 1 cent. 1 cent is the goal. 1 cent is the target. Hitting 1 cent, the little two zeros will return about $32,800. Now, can Terra Classic hit such level? Can Terra Classic delete 20? Can it hit 1 cent? Remember, this coin is currently trading at 0.000164. The truth is, yes, with the 1.2% tax bond, we believe that is going to help Terra Classic to really hit a massive increase in price. Terra Classic have gotten a lot of support from the community and also from the Binance founder CZ. They have about 5.9 trillion coins in circulation. Now, with the burning of Terra Classic, we hope that about 5.8 trillion coins will be deleted before the end of 2025 or even next year, 2023. It depends on how the developers are really working towards this. But remember, Terra Classic with just 100 billion coins in circulation will really push the price of Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price. So, with the project, with the support, with the partnership, I think hitting 1 cent is going to really be easy for Terra Classic token. And having just $328 to be returning almost $32,800, that is a lot of profit. So I believe holding the Terra Classic token is something one need to do. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. And also remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. I still believe that Terra Classic is going to hit a massive increase in price, because this coin is among the top 3 or top 5 best coin of 2022. People have been talking about Terra Classic more in 2022. 2022 is coming to an end, and I believe 2023 is going to be a better year for Terra Classic, and not just Terra Classic, including Bitcoin and other crypto coins. Let's hope to see that Terra Classic, CZ and other co-founders will be pushing Terra Classic token. CZ have been supporting this coin, and he owns a lot of this coin. I believe that Terra Classic is going to hit a massive increase in price very soon. But once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.